Recording.
Alright, this is the session before lunch. And we got held up by 20 minutes because somebody lost a chain in the expert group and spread oil all over turn 1. So they put some oil dry on it, hosed it down, blew it down, and again and again and again. So that's going to affect the schedule. Hopefully they'll give us another 20 minutes later in the day. And of course, as soon as we get out, it starts to rain. So this guy's the classic drag racer. For now, he's going to hold up number 5. It's I find it difficult to remember being that slow in corners, but with this rain coming down, yeah, it's hard to be able to enjoy it. Oh, let's see, on my Ducati, I could have just squirted in front of this guy, but the 600 doesn't have it. But that's because it's only got 600 cc's. Yeah, I'm going to call it. Whew, look at this, it's really starting to come down. No assigned students. My one guy who wanted to do an evaluation, he got lost, turned up too late. So, considering this is a borrowed bike and it's raining, I'm going to just take it easy and go get some lunch, which I won't eat. But it smells good. Oh, Jesus. Alright, well, that was a bit of a bust.